mimi mwenyewe nilimuona amenyongwa hivi, hakuwa na nguo, hakuwa na nini. Na alafu tena unaona tu wanaume askari tu wanaona tu kama ni kuku ilichinjwa. Kama kuku ilichinjwa tu. Sasa sisi mimi nimeshoka. Na kama tukashika huyo msichana wange.
Kirinyaga nominated MCA Njeri is still grappling with the loss of her 23-year-old daughter Seth Nyakio. Nyakio's body was discovered on Monday, October 14th in a rented apartment in Thika's Biafra area, Kiambu County. Postmortem report indicated that Nyakio died from strangulation. The pressure applied to her neck during strangulation disrupted her breathing, causing a lack of oxygen in her body. According to a report by Medical News Today, strangulation can obstruct airflow to the lungs and limit blood flow to the brain, resulting in death. The police also say that the attacker assaulted the victim before carrying out the fatal act. The nominated MCA recalled her last conversation with her daughter on October 12 when she left the Akamaki's estate home to visit a friend in Biafra estate Thika. Njeri said her 23-year-old daughter was in high spirits that day. She claimed that they were so close they shared everything with each other. MCA revealed that she spoke to her daughter on Saturday, October 12 around 9 p.m. and her daughter assured her that everything was fine. However, she sensed something was wrong when she was unable to reach her daughter on the evening of Sunday, October 13th. This prompted her to travel to Thika to check on her daughter. Njeri said she received a distressing call about Nyakio's death while on her way. Upon arriving at the crime scene, Njeri said she found her daughter's lifeless body, which was naked and had marks on the neck area. The Thika Sub-County Police Commander confirmed the incident, stating that the case is being handled with the seriousness it deserves. Police added that one of the students who was with Nyakio in her final moment is in custody to assist with the investigation.